By the end of this video, you will know how to set up recurring tasks in Clio Manage. Start by logging in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main workspace, look to the left-hand menu and click Tasks. This opens the area where your existing task list appears and where new tasks can be created and managed. From here, decide whether you want to make a task from scratch or reuse one that already exists. You can create a new task if you are setting this up for the first time, or open an existing task that matches the kind of work you want to repeat. The goal at this stage is to start with a task that has the structure you want to carry forward each time it comes up again. Enter the task details next. Fill in the name so the task is clearly labeled. Choose the related matter if the task belongs to a specific file. Set the assignee so the right person is responsible for it. Add the due date, then include any reminders you want attached to that task. Make sure these details reflect the version you want to reuse later, since they will carry over when you duplicate the task. When the task information is in place, click Save Task. This creates the task and adds it to your tasks list. At this point, you have a saved task that can be used again when the next occurrence is needed. When it is time for that task to recur, return to the tasks list and locate the saved task. On that task, click the drop-down arrow to open the available actions, then select Duplicate. This creates a copy of the original task, which is useful when you want the same task details without entering everything again from the beginning. After duplicating the task, update the due date for the new occurrence. If anything else needs to change for this instance, such as the assignee, matter, name, or reminders, update those details as well before saving. This is the point where you make each recurring version current while still preserving the original task setup as your starting template. Once the updated details are in place, click Save Task again. That creates the next recurring instance and places it in your task list as a separate task. Each time the task needs to happen again, you can repeat this same process by finding the task, duplicating it, adjusting the due date and any other details, and saving the new copy. This approach keeps recurring work organized inside Clio Manage without rebuilding the same task from the beginning each time, and it also helps keep assignments, dates, and reminders aligned with each new occurrence. Your recurring task has now been created in Clio Manage, and the next instance is saved to your tasks list